Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate high-quality audio using ElevenLabs Studio 3.0, one of the most powerful AI voice tools available right now. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, or voiceovers, this tool can seriously level up your content. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up using your email or Google account. After logging in, head over to the Studio section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see an option to create a new project. Click on that. Now, you'll be asked to add your text. This is the script that will be converted into speech. You can either type directly into the editor or paste your pre-written script. Make sure your text is clean and properly formatted, because punctuation really affects how natural the voice sounds. Next, it's time to choose a voice. ElevenLabs offers a variety of voices: male, female, different accents, and even emotional tones. Pick the one that fits your content style. If you want something more unique, you can also use voice cloning, but that's a more advanced feature. Once you've selected your voice, you'll see settings like stability, clarity, and style exaggeration. If you're a beginner, don't worry, the default settings usually work great. But if you want more control, you can experiment with these sliders to make the voice sound more expressive or more consistent. Now comes the fun part. Click on the Generate button. In just a few seconds, ElevenLabs will turn your text into realistic, human-like audio. Play it back and see how it sounds. If something feels off, you can tweak your text or adjust the voice settings and generate it again. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save the audio file. You can now use this audio in your YouTube videos, Reels, or any other content you're creating. And that's it. Super simple, right? Using ElevenLabs Studio 3.0 can save you time, improve your audio quality, and even help you create content without recording your own voice. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.